Oh, gilded crown.
Exactly. There's actually, you can barely see it, dehydrated seagrass that also makes
Oh,
a
I
crown.
see it. I see it. And I love it. That's pretty.
You are literally painting this dish.
Yeah,
Do what I can.
It's beautiful.
it is so pretty.
Well, the second half is a broth that is made from the same crab. We also use dried shrimp, young ginger, and tomato. And this is finished with coconut oil. It's been infused with Atelier Crenn coffee beans, which is our house blend. Now, there's no right or wrong order to enjoy these in. The broth should be enjoyed directly from the bowl.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you. No long order.